Hi guys, welcome to Idea Networking and how to fix unwanted languages showing in keyboard layout. So how to remove and how to add your language keyboards. Okay, so guys, different way to you can add. Firstly, click to start button. First step, click to start button. Type setting. If your setting is not show, so you can search directly setting. Okay, this is setting. Time and languages and reason. Add your language. Okay, then you guys drag and drop. Okay, if you add your languages, so add any all languages are available on Windows portal, so you can just click to next and add. Okay, and also more features in speech recognition, display language, and text to speed and handwriting also available. Okay, so all Bengali, Russians, Japanese, Chinese, I don't know, Danish, Deveshi, all. Okay, English Brazil, English Canada, English Israel, Mexico, Malaysia, New Zealand, all. So you can next and add. Then guys, show secondary, so you can drag and drop. If you want to first India, so you can, and if you want to quickly change, so bottom task manager, click to task manager and you can change India. If you want to USA, so you can USA. Okay, yeah, and then close it. And disable automatically change to keyboard. Click again, click to setting, time, languages, sorry again, back, typing, and touch keyboard. This features is only Windows 10, is actually not showing in advanced. This one, if you have this check, so please uncheck and close it, because that automatically change your languages. Okay, then guys, again Windows R, type REGEIDIT, enter. Then guys, yes. Okay, so come to upper bottom and close all. Firstly guys, local machine systems, local machine system, current control set, then again control, then guys keyboard layout, click to keyboard layout. Okay, and right click, dword 32-bit value and type I capital, ignore, remote, keyboard, layout. Guys, type same capital, small small, and then double click to trace one. Value is data value is 1. Okay, if you have this tab available in your system, so please open and take it value 1 and then okay, then close it. Then guys, your system restart, properly restart, and then please check it. Okay, thank you, bye bye. And one more solutions you have, if you have a time to do it. Okay, I'll give you the command in description, so copy paste and open CMD. Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done when your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.